Why do we invest? For money? For returns? Well, what kind of returns? What is your expectation? How much money or how much return will satisfy you? These are some real questions that you and I should ask and seek answers. Because if you don't know what kind of returns you are seeking, then you don't know what type of risk you must take, right? Everyone wants a multi-bagger, but what is a multi-bagger and how to find one? Hello everyone, I'm Rakshith Pai and I'm here to give you all some clarity regarding what we must seek in stock market investing. What is a multi-bagger? If you invest rupees 100 and that 100 turns into 200, then you have a bagger, something like that. Basically, a 10 bagger means you have made 10 times of your money, and a 100 bagger means you have made 100 times your investment. So multi-bagger is when your investment gives you exponential return. How to find multi-bagger? To be honest, if I knew exactly how to find a multi-bagger, I would have made many in my portfolio. Till date, I have 3 of my investments give 100% return, so they just double my money. I don't have any higher returns, and for us to call a multi-bagger, we need hefty returns. Maybe I have one in my portfolio which is yet to perform. Basically, I can give you some ideas regarding how to find one, and if you think you have learned something from this video, then you must like, share and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. The qualities of a multi-bagger. Number 1, monopolistic market share. These companies must be the market leaders. They must have sheer market dominance to become a multi-bagger. Just because a company has already become a giant in its market doesn't mean it cannot become a multi-bagger in your portfolio. So own companies that have monopolistic features. They will make you money in the future. For example, Pidilite Industries, ITC, IRCTC, etc. Number 2, promoter holding. No matter what, promoters of a company will know more than us, right? So if the promoters themselves don't want to own the company, then why are you and I owning it? Instead, invest in those companies where there is a strong promoter backing. Example, Reliance Industries, TCS, DMart, etc. Number 3, financial stability. I have seen people invest in mid and small cap companies hoping for a multi-bagger. Not necessary that a multi-bagger must come from small cap company. Hindustan Unilever, a MNC company, has given 450% return for the past 10 years. This return may seem small to you, but out of 7,500 odd companies listed on Indian Stock Exchange, hardly 10% are even worth looking at. And out of these 750 companies, if you deep dive into financials and after all the filtering, if you are left with 100 plus companies, then you are doing something wrong. So, to invest in small and mid cap companies without looking at their financials and hoping for a multi-bagger is like watering a tomato plant and waiting for it to fruit mango. There are good companies, no doubt about it, but in order to find one and own them until they give us multi-bagger return, it takes time. I'll conclude this video by saying one last thing. If you are investing in the stock market and if you are able to generate over 10% return annually, then you are for sure amongst the top 10% of the population. So aim for 10, 12 or even 15% return each year. Let that be your goal. Because if you wish for a multi-bagger return in all of your investments, then that exaggerated goals may make you take unnecessary risk like investing based on tips and suggestions or investing in undervalued small and micro cap companies and such. Invest wisely. Thank you for watching.